Winco products are made to meet the high demands of a kitchen. Trusted and reliable. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco Omg I strainer with single fine mesh, 8-inch diameter. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. Buy this, I promise it's what you want. The filter itself doesn't drop heat in quinoa. It also doesn't bend easily, but don't be rough when cleaning. I'm not rough with it, but I wasn't rough with the one I got from Target, and that one bent like crazy. I love that the handle is wood, it just looks very modest but elegant. I've been wanting a lot of appliances with light wood lately. I have a colander that's silver for other cooks, and that's from Target for $8. It's beautiful and hasn't rusted for me. Check it out. I recommend you have one of those too for fruits and veggies, but not messy stuff unless you don't care that cleaning it can be a drag sometimes. And if you guys are on the hunt for good, beautiful, perfect wooden spoons, I recommend Vermontspoon on Etsy. Omg I bought one and immediately bought a whole bunch more. They're pricey, but I just can't recommend them enough. You need their spoons in your life, I promise you. They're so soft you could massage a newborn baby with it and you won't want to put the spoon down. It's that soft and beautiful. I have all their cherry spoons. Please go get one. They deserve the hype, and you deserve to get a perfect wooden spoon that will last and looks beautiful with full functionality that won't stress you out or crack. I'm excited for mine to build character. Ellen and Jeff deserve your business.